Hey guys, here's my '06 Smart Car diesel cabriolet. It's been sitting outside for quite a while. It's time to put it back in the garage. I was doing some work on my tractor, so the poor car got kicked outside. So you have to wait for the glow plug light. That was just a quick little spin in my Smart Car diesel. Again, it's an '06. It's working fantastic. I still need to fix the issue with the limp mode. If you've seen my other videos, I was having an issue with the soft top mechanism not working and not going on the track. That's all fixed. I'll do a video later on about that. And the only other thing I need to tinker with is I gotta get a new piece of plastic for the rear window as it cracked. Seems to work decent in the snow. Of course, it's just got the summer tires on for all seasons. They're horrible in the snow, but it gets through it. Again, it's my secondary vehicle. Anyways, guys, just a short video. I'm just going to clean the snow off the boat, so I decided I may as well take the little car out for a rip and charge up the battery. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. Take care. Have a great day.